Hello, skincare enthusiasts and savvy shoppers. Today, we are diving into a truly remarkable anti-aging secret that won't break the bank. Forget those expensive creams promising miracles. Sometimes, the most profound solutions are found right in your local pharmacy. We are talking about a simple yet incredibly powerful one-drop addition that can transform your skin. This wisdom is inspired by the holistic approach of Dr. Ni Haixia, emphasizing simplicity, barrier protection, and an inside-outside philosophy for true skin health. Our goal is to combat fine lines and dryness, giving you that youthful glow without emptying your wallet. Stick around because the reveal of this secret ingredient is worth the wait. Let's be honest. The skincare industry often tells us that more expensive equals more effective, but that's not always the truth. Sometimes the most effective solutions are incredibly humble and affordable. We are talking about a pharmacy staple that excels at sealing in moisture and protecting your skin's vital barrier. This aligns perfectly with the traditional Chinese medicine concept of outer guard, inner repair for truly healthy, resilient skin. Our outer guard is none other than petrolatum jelly, commonly known as Vaseline. Vaseline acts as a classic occlusive, creating a protective film over your skin. This barrier is crucial because it prevents water loss, allowing your skin to retain its natural hydration. It also creates the perfect environment for our one-drop secret to work its magic more effectively. Dr. Ni Haixia's pragmatic approach teaches us that simple, accessible tools often outperform complex, multi-ingredient products. The key lies in understanding basic skin physiology and working with it, not against it. Our philosophy here is to focus on a single, powerful occlusive paired with a targeted active ingredient. This combination, used consistently, can yield truly remarkable results. I've seen this firsthand, transforming hands that felt like sandpaper into soft, supple skin just by focusing on barrier care. Let's get a little scientific about our outer guard. Petrolatum dramatically reduces transepidermal water loss, or TUL. This means it locks in your skin's natural moisture, preventing it from evaporating into the air. By creating this sealed environment, petrolatum allows any active ingredients applied underneath to remain effective for longer. It acts as a micro-environment, enhancing their penetration and performance. Petrolatum, found in Vaseline, is an incredibly effective, simple, and affordable solution for skin health. It functions to seal, soften, and profoundly support your skin's natural barrier repair processes. Think of petrolatum as a power amplifier for the active ingredient we're about to reveal. Now let's talk about our mysterious one drop. This ingredient is known for being lipid-friendly and a potent antioxidant. It's a classic beauty helper, celebrated for its ability to promote skin resilience and a healthy glow. It's especially effective for addressing concerns like dryness and the appearance of fine lines. However, for optimal performance and to protect it from oxidation, this ingredient absolutely requires pairing with an occlusive. Incorrect layering or using it alone can lead to underperformance and less than stellar results. The moment you've been waiting for, the one drop is vitamin E. Yes, that humble, powerful antioxidant often found in soft-gel capsules. The winning combination for youthful, resilient skin is Vaseline and vitamin E. This duo embodies the dynamic of outer defense, inner support. Vaseline seals and protects your skin, creating that crucial barrier. Vitamin E, on the other hand, provides powerful antioxidant support, fighting free radicals and promoting skin health from within that protective layer. This simple, affordable combination can genuinely outperform many high-priced creams on the market. The consistent use of Vaseline and vitamin E can lead to noticeably softer, plumper skin and a visible reduction in the appearance of fine lines. Now let's get practical and learn how to create this powerful DIY mixture. It's incredibly simple, but precision and hygiene are key. First, portion about a teaspoon of plain, unscented Vaseline into a clean, small dish. A ceramic ramekin or a small glass jar works perfectly. Next, take 2 to 3 vitamin E softgel capsules. Pierce each capsule with a clean needle or pin and carefully squeeze the oil directly into the Vaseline. Now, mix patiently with a clean cotton swab or a small, sterile spatula until the vitamin E oil is uniformly incorporated into the Vaseline. This might take a minute or two, so be thorough. Once mixed, apply a very thin layer to your targeted areas, such as the corners of your eyes, around your mouth, or on smile lines. This is best done at night after you've cleansed your face. Gently massage the mixture into your skin for about 30 to 60 seconds. The goal is to leave behind a thin, almost imperceptible film, not a thick, greasy mask. Remember, consistency is far more important than intensity. Apply this nightly for several weeks to truly see the transformative results. To ensure the best experience and results, here are a few pro tips. Always perform a patch test on a small, inconspicuous area, like your jawline or inner arm, for 24 to 48 hours. This is especially important if you have sensitive skin. Maintain strict hygiene for all your tools and containers. Always use clean hands and sterile implements. It's also best to mix small batches of your Vaseline and vitamin E blend to ensure freshness and potency. For those who prefer convenience or regulated ratios, consider looking for pre-made, commercially available products that combine petrolatum and vitamin E. These can offer a controlled and stable formulation. This Vaseline and vitamin E combination is best suited for normal to dry skin types. It's particularly beneficial for mature skin that often struggles with transepidermal water loss. It also works wonders on rough body spots like elbows and heels. However, use with caution if you have irritated or broken skin, or if you are prone to acne. Always perform a patch test, and if you experience any irritation, discontinue use. For acne-prone individuals, start with a very small amount on a tiny area to see how your skin reacts. As a general DIY caution, avoid adding strong actives like acids, citrus extracts, or other potent ingredients to your homemade mixtures. If you're looking for more complex formulations, it's always safer to opt for vetted, professionally formulated products. The true value of this one-drop secret lies in its incredible cost-effectiveness. For a fraction of the price of luxury creams, you can achieve impressive results by respecting basic barrier science and committing to a consistent, simple routine. Remember, while this DIY solution is powerful, always consult a dermatologist or healthcare professional for persistent or severe skin conditions. This approach is about enhancing your skin's natural health, not replacing professional medical advice. We owe a debt of gratitude to Dr. Ni Haixia for inspiring this TCM-informed approach to skincare. It reminds us that sometimes the oldest wisdom and simplest ingredients hold the most profound power. Stay tuned for future episodes where we'll explore how this same two-step logic can be applied to body care.